Marco. What's up? What's up? Welcome to our channel, Lumaga Vlog. Marco. What's up? What's up? Nandito na lahat ng iyong hinahanap sa Travel Adventure.
Hello mga kalumlum, what's up? Gagawa ako ng Christmas face hole cutout.
Oh yes!
May ginawa na rin akong face hole cutout noon at makikita yon dito sa aming channel.
Okay!
Kung gusto nyo ay pwede nyo yung panoorin at i-check sa aming mga previous video. Itong ginamit kong panukat dito sa face hole cutout ay galing sa isang sirang helmet.
Oh, wow!
Sa isang hard hat o construction helmet na adjust kasi ito. Kaya saktong-sakto ito sa gagawing butas para dito sa face hole cutout. Ito kasi yung magiging pattern guide para kung alin yung alisin, yung bubutasin dito sa face hole cutout na ginagawa ko. At nagsimula na ako mag-drawing dito sa one whole illustration board. Pencil lang muna ang aking ginamit para kung ako ay magkamali o meron akong gustong ibahin o palitan ay madali lang itong gawin. Burahin at ayusin. Sa video ay parang ang dali lang gawin. Pero sa totoo lang ay mahirap din mag-estimate lalo na kung malaki ang drawing. Last time yung pamangking ko na si Eboy ang nagpagawa ng face hole cutout. Ginamit kasi na props sa school event. Itong bagong face hole cutout ay pinagawa niya rin.
Half hour later?
At ito na, natapos ko na ang drawing gamit ang lapis. Dito sa video ay medyo malabo at hindi gaanong naaninag yung drawing ko. Lalagyan ko pa kasi ito ng marker. Kaya mamaya ng kaunti ay makikita nyo ng mas malinaw na ang drawing na ito. Ang team daw para sa face hole cutout na ito ay Santa's Little Helper.
Oh, okay.
Kaya sakto at bagay siya na i-drawing ko. Ito mga kalumlumas na i-focus ko dito sa video ang drawing ko. Para makita nyo kahit na ito ay guhit gamit ang lapis. Ang design na naisip na iguhit ay si Santa Claus na may katabing bata. Nakakandong kay Santa Claus yung bata. May ginayahang reference din naman ito at tumingin nga sa Google. Pero ang ginawa ko dito sa drawing ay dinagdagan ko ng mga detalye mga kalumlum. Dinagdagan ko ang drawing ko dito sa illustration board na wala naman doon sa reference.
A few moments later.
Inumpisahan ko na rin na patungan ng marker ang drawing na ginamitan ko lamang ng lapis. Kaya mga kalumlum, dyan lang kayo, tutok lang at panoorin hanggang sa ito ay makumpleto kong malagyan ng marker. Ay mali, hindi pala dapat hanggang makumpleto ko lang na malagyan ito ng marker. Panoorin nyo lang mga kalumlum hanggang sa matapos ang video na ito.
Painted smiles on cardboard dreams. Santa laughs so silly seems. A hole cut just the perfect size. Step right up, surprise, surprise. No filters, no posing rules. Just giggles, glue, and crafty tools. One small hole, big laughs appear. Come on now, put your face right here. Face hole cut out loud. DIY fun, draw a crowd. Switch your face, become someone new. Snap that pic. 1, 2, woo! From silly to wild, crystal clear. Life's more fun with a face hole here. Today, tomorrow a star. No need to wonder who you are. Handmade jokes on painted boards. Memories better than store-bought stores. No filters, no posing rules. Just giggles, glue, and crafty tools. One small hole, big laughs appear. Come on now, put your face right here. Cardboard kings and queens for a day. Tape and paint lead the way. It's not perfect, that's the cheer. Joy looks best with laughter near. Face hole cut out, laugh it out loud. DIY fun, draw a crowd. Switch your face, become someone new. Snap that pic, 1, 2, woo! From silly to wild, crystal clear. Life's more fun with a face hole here. make moments bright.
At natapos ko na nga itong lagyan ng marker, itong drawing kanina na ginamitan ko lang ng lapis mga kalumlum. Ang next na gagawin ko naman ay kukulayan ko na ito, at pagkatapos nga na makulayan ay bubutasin ko na rin itong face hole cutout.
La la la. La la la.
I'm not good at combining colors, but I just go with whatever I think of and can do. I hope you'll stay and continue supporting and watching what I do. English na yan. Baka gusto nyo pati sa Espanyol.
Please, no! No!
La panoorin na iring palabas.
What the f***?
Diyan sa inyo ng mga telebisyon.
Oh no!
O diyan sa
Oh my god.
Sipin nyo mga senyorito at senyorita. Katuwaan lang po, baka may magalit pa sa ating ibang lahi.
Oh no!
Mamaya ay magalit pa sa akin si Laloma o sila pa si...
Cardboard dreams against the wall, painted smiles, we made them all. Scissors, tape, a little glue, every cut feels something new. Crazy costumes, bright design, borrowed laughs, a borrowed time. One small hole, a big surprise. Watch the joy light up our eyes. Step a little closer now, lose yourself, forget the how. No filters, no need to hide, just bring your smile and step inside. Santa's chair, all superhero cape, silly shapes in every shape. Kids and grown-ups line the floor, just one more they're asking for. No perfection needed here, crooked lines just add the cheer. Handmade fun, simple and true, every face tells a story too. Step a little closer now, lose yourself, forget the how. No filters, no need to hide, just bring your smile and step inside. Face hole cut out, laugh out loud, DIY, joy that draws a crowd. Switch your face, become the scene, funniest star you've ever been. One quick pose, a memory clear, life feels lighter standing here. Click the camera, don't back out, that's the magic of a face hole cutout. Teen, write in, don't be shy. Let your smile do the try. Hold that grin, don't move about. Ready, set, face hole cut out. Paint stained hands and paper heart. This is where the laughter starts. Not about the lines we draw, but sharing joy we never saw. For a moment, we all belong in a silly cardboard song. Face hole cut out! Face hole cut out, laugh out loud. Beat out light, joy that draws a crowd. Switch your face, become the scene. Funniest star you've ever been. One quick pose, a memory clear. Life feels lighter standing here. Click the camera, don't back out. That's the magic of a face hole cut out. When the paint is peeled away and the boards are stored someday, photos keep the fun alive. Proof that joy was handmade. One face, one frame, one laugh, no doubt. Forever smiling through a face hole cutout.
1 hour later.
Natapos ko ng kulayan itong face hole cutout drawing na aking ginawa.
Nice!
At gugupitin ko na itong blank area, itong face ni Santa Claus at ng bata.
Half hour later.
Hindi ko na naipakita kung paano ko ito ginupit o nakat.
You tell me! Bakit nga ba?
Kasi ang purol nitong cutter na ginamit ko, muntikan ko pa madamage itong illustration board. Oh no! Medyo sasablay pa nga sana. Mabuti dito sa isa. Yung una kong nakat, okay pa. Kung nagkataon at nabiyak, uulit pa ako sa umpisa. Well, finally, natapos ko na rin itong Christmas face hole cutout.
Sana all.
Itong malaking drawing ko sa illustration board, mga kalumlum. Ang idea na ito ay pwedeng magamit sa mga occasion katulad ng Christmas party. Very useful, mga kalumlum, kung hindi nyo naman kailangan ng mga photo booth. Dito kayo mag-selfie, sigurado mag-i-enjoy, tatawa ang lahat.
You waiting there for me and you. Step right up, don't overthink. Hold your breath or maybe blink. Drop your worries, drop your doubt. This is what it's all about. Cut close a smile, here we go. Face hole cutout steals the show. Trade your face for painted cheer.
Ginagawa mo? Seriously, what the f*** are you doing?
Every love feels extra clear. Click the moment, keep it proud. DIY joy, laugh out loud. One small hole, big joy throughout. That's the magic face hole cutout. Princess crown or pirate hat, snowman scarf or this and that. Every face a brand new role. One small cut completes the whole. Awkward poses, funny eyes, purest joy you can't disguise. Handmade fun, no price tag near. Just shared laughter ringing clear. Step right up, don't overthink. Hold your breath or maybe blink. Drop your worries, drop your doubt. This is what it's all about. Pose and smile.
Para na mga kalong-long.
At ayan na nga ang aking ginawang Christmas face hole cutout. Nag-selfie na ang mga kaklase ni Eboy.
Mga kalong-long. Long. Hello mga kalong-long. Mag-video vlog ka na rin. Mag-vlog ka na rin kalong-long. Mag-vlog na tayo mga kalong-long. Mga kalong-long. Wala mga kalong-long. Mag-video vlog ka na rin. Mag-vlog ka na rin kalong-long. Mag-vlog na tayo mga kalong-long. Long-long. Mag-video vlog ka na rin. Mag-vlog ka na rin kalong-long. Mag-vlog Mag-video vlog ka na rin. Mag-vlog ka na rin kalong-long. Mag-vlog